some recent changes in the YouTube algorithms, we're only receiving about 20% of the traffic that our channel was receiving just a year ago. It's becoming increasingly difficult for us to survive here on YouTube, so we are asking for you to help support our video content creation if you're able to, if you've enjoyed our videos over the years, and we have some pretty cool perks that we'll be providing in exchange for your support. We have over 150 videos that have been demonetized or age restricted over the years, and you may have seen that YouTube is actually going to be increasing the amount of age-restricted content. So this means that we'll probably see even more of our videos being age-restricted or demonetized, and this is one reason why we depend on our members to help us keep these cameras rolling. In exchange for your support, you will gain access to our premium content. This includes 5 30-day programs. We have 2 yoga programs by Julia Marie. We also have a brand new 30-day beginners yoga program from Elise. Just such a wonderful program, no matter what level of yoga you may be at right now. We have a 30-day program from Julia Jarvis, all about creating a calm mind and improving your overall health and mental health. And 30 Days of Yoga to a New You by Jess Timsit, a program where you will learn over 80 different yoga poses in just 30 days. We also have 3 different 14-day yoga programs. One from Myra, a beginner's yoga for weight loss program, which is designed to prepare you for her more intense Get Your Body Back workouts, which you will also gain access to on the membership. Julia Marie's 14-day Couch to Confident is also available, a wonderful beginner's yoga program to help you prepare for her other more challenging 30-day programs. And we have Elise Fitness, 14-day beginner fitness program, a great way to help you get going, get moving, and get fit. We're constantly creating new premium content, so just know that you will always see new things coming into your membership feed, as well as exclusive videos we're producing just for our supporters. Now, it may take us a little while to get all of this content uploaded to the membership, but please know that we are doing our best to show you our appreciation and keep the membership constantly getting updated with new, wonderful content. Members will also gain access to an exclusive members-only live chat. So if you've been to my live chats before, you know there's usually so many people and so many questions, it's really hard for me to get to everyone. So I wanted to offer a members-only live chat where we'll be able to get to know each other a little bit more, and you have a lot higher likelihood of your question being answered. I've seen a lot of questions and comments over the years about why we don't post as many massage videos here on the YouTube channel. And largely it's because a lot of those videos are age restricted or demonetized. So you are going to gain access to over 50 of those demonetized and age restricted videos. So if there's a massage video that used to be on the channel, there's a good likelihood that if it's not there now, it's gonna end up in the membership. And again, each week we're producing new exclusive content just for you, so you're gonna constantly have a lot of different videos to choose from. The regular videos we're just posting regularly on the YouTube channel, as well as tons of premium content that we're producing just for our supporters. Becoming a member will also give you a little sneak peek behind the scenes to see a little bit of what goes into making these videos. Not that I have any bloopers, but there will be some fun bloopers for you guys. Just a fun way to kind of see what goes into creating this content and a fun way for you to get to know me and our other presenters a little bit better. We have 3 different levels of membership that you can join. At $4.99 a month, you're gonna see all of those behind the scenes videos, gain access to the members only live chat, and you'll also see a lot of those premium programs showing up for you in your feed. At the $9.99 level, you'll unlock even more exclusively produced content. And if you decide to support us at the super fan level of $14.99 a month or more, now you're gonna have the opportunity to see your ideas on screen. So I'll be posting some exclusive posts here on YouTube where you'll be able to comment and request video topics, ask your questions. Maybe you want to request the color scheme for our next massage shoot. This is a great way for you to kind of chime in and see your ideas show up right in the YouTube feed and see your ideas on screen. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and thank you in advance for helping to support what we do here and helping to support our video production efforts. If you have a perk that you would like to see offered in our memberships, then chime in down in the comments and let me know. We're all about just showing our appreciation to our supporters. So if there's a perk or a video that you would like to see us create, I really hope that you will let me know. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you again very, very soon. Thank you so, so much.